Hey everybody, so I am here in Zoom right now. In Zoom, what I'm doing is I'm going to use the whiteboard feature in Zoom. So to do that, all you're going to do is go down here to the tools at the bottom of your screen, and you're going to click Share Screen. You've got your options normally for your screens that you can share, but you're going to use this one right here that says Whiteboard. When you click the Whiteboard option there, I'm actually also going to click down here at the bottom that I'm going to optimize it for screen sharing for the video clip. It'll make my whiteboard a little bit clearer on the end user's video. So I'm going to go ahead and click Share. And now I'm in the whiteboard in Zoom. So I have a bunch of tools here that I can use in the whiteboard. I can put in some text, multiple lines of text, whatever I want to put in there. I can draw. There are several different drawing tools in here. So a couple tools, a couple different widths and things. There are some shapes in here that you can use. So all sorts of things there. You can put stamps in. You can spotlight things on your screen. So this is kind of like the laser pointer in the Google products. I can use the erase button and I can erase. The cool thing with this is you just click one time on something that you want to erase and it'll erase the whole object. I can change my colors and stuff right here. I can change my line width. I can change my fonts and stuff like that. Undo and redo. And save allows me to save this. Now, one of the cool functions here of the presentation whiteboard in Zoom is that once I present, then students can go into a presentation and they can go into annotate, and they can use the same annotation tools on the shared whiteboard. So you can have multiple people interacting with this whiteboard at the same time. So this is Zoom and with a Zoom meeting. Now please be careful of Zoom if you're going to try and record that. Remember, we don't want to record students on our Zoom meeting, so be aware of that.